I'm really excited to announce that I've convinced Kevin Wallace to join me on Udemy. He's created a Network Plus course on Udemy, and I'm really excited that he's done this because Kevin is a fantastic instructor. He's well known in the industry, has written a bunch of Cisco Press books, has created a whole bunch of courses, but he hasn't created full courses like the Network Plus course on Udemy in the past. And I'm really happy that I've managed to convince him to do this. It's amazing how the world has changed. Years ago, you would have to pay hundreds or thousands of dollars to get access to instructors like Kevin. You'd pay hundreds of dollars to get access to his courses, but now you can get access to Kevin's Network Plus course using the link below for $9.99. I'm really excited that Kevin has decided to collaborate with me and put his content on Udemy. Hopefully, this will be the first of many courses that Kevin creates with me. So you can use the link below to buy Kevin's course for $9.99. Udemy unfortunately restrict how long this special price can run for, so it'll only be available for a few days. So if you want to make the most of it, then use the link below. I'll also be giving away 10 places. You can use the link below to enter to win one of 10 places, but if you can't wait, or you want to have access to the course, or you want to support Kevin and I, then buy the course for $9.99 using the link below. Again, I'm really hoping that Kevin sees the benefit of putting his courses on Udemy and that he continues to create courses with me and make them available to you for such a low price. I'm also working on other things in the background. I'm hoping to ramp up the content available on Udemy. I've kind of slowed down in recent times and I've spent a lot of time creating content on YouTube, but I want to refocus on Udemy and provide a lot of free and low-cost content to you. I've got some exciting announcements coming very soon. There's going to be a bunch of free content available on Udemy. I'm collaborating with a number of companies and people to provide free and low-cost content. I'm really hoping that this changes your life. Again, it's amazing how it's possible today to get access to high-quality training, high-quality labs for such low prices on Udemy and other platforms. Really excited that it's now possible using YouTube videos or using Udemy to study and change your life. But you need to make the effort. You need to spend the time studying something every day to change your life. So what are you going to do today to change your life tomorrow? Make sure that you spend time on things that are going to make your future better. Don't spend time on things that will only have an effect for a short time. So watching TV is fine. I always pick on television because I feel it's such a waste of time. Watching a bit of television is fine, but don't spend hours and hours and hours watching television because the return on investment can be very, very low. Generally, it's very, very low. Rather take a bit of that time and spend that time reading a book or studying to change your life. I'm not saying that you mustn't watch television, but don't be like a lot of people and spend hours and hours and hours watching television and never doing something with your life. You live once. Make the most of your time.